What's up, guys? This is Widowmaker coming at you today, and I was going to share a cheap way to check out your lead BHN. And the neighbor just come out, and I hope he's not going to rev up his flippin' ass truck, because that's all the guy does. Here we go. Anyway, you can pick these pencils up. I got these at on Amazon for about $12, something like that, 11, 12 bucks. They're Mars Lunograph, however you pronounce that. You can also get them at the big box stores, at Home Depot or Slows, and you can also get them at Office Depot and Staples, I'm told. Okay, so anyway, let me show you how this works. It's a real cheap way, instead of buying like that Lee lead tester, which there's nothing wrong with it. These pencils are made out of lead, and they have a different lead alloyed in the pencils. Back in the day, they actually made pencils out of lead. They're outlawed now, of course, because everybody knows that lead's a bad thing. People would, I don't know, I've been stabbed with it a few times back in the day. It's amazing I didn't get lead poisoning. But anyway, they're marked a different hardness for the type of lead that's in here. They're drawing pencils is what they are. They're for artists to sketch pencil sketches. Anyway, okay, this right here is soft lead, which it has a BHN of 5. So we can take our B2 pencil and mark it here. And you know, it'll leave marking a pencil on it, but if it scratches it, see that scratch there? That is a scratch right here. If it gouges the lead, then that gives you a rough estimate on what your BHN is. So a B2 will scratch pure lead, which that has a BHN of 5. Then you got wheel weights here. Your wheel weights have a BHN around 9. So you come over here and you look at another pencil. Let's try a B5. So we pick up our B5 pencil and see if it does anything. And all it's going to do is just leave a lead mark, a pencil mark. So see, that comes right off and there's nothing on there. So it's harder than a B5. So you just go on down the line, you try a B6. B6. B6 is almost, but not quite. It just left a pencil mark there again. So you move to a B. B just, I believe, stands for black, but it is a harder alloy in this pencil, and it's not touching it. So you go to an F. I believe it's going to have to be at least an H. No, well, yeah, the pencil lead's breaking. It's just leaving a pencil mark on it. So let's try the H. H, to my knowledge, stands for hard. And it's doing the same thing. It's not really gouging. So you get to a HB, and I believe that stands for hard black. We'll try the hard black pencil. And the hard black pencil, it did leave a mark. It gouged it. If you can see that silver spot on it, shiny spot, it left a shiny spot right there. So you know that the HB pencil, the hard black pencil, is at least a Bernal hardness of 9. Okay, and then right here you got your famous. Alright, now I think you're going to have to do at least an H2 or an H3 on this. So, H2, shut up, just left the pencil mark. See what I got to put up with in the city, guys. I'm so ready to get out here. I just left graphite, or a lead mark, graphite mark, whatever. It's not graphite. So we'll go to the H3. Try it. H3 isn't touching it. So the last pencil we got is an H4. Now this has been cast for a while, so it may be harder than if you just cast a Linotype. H4 did gouge it. See that right there? So your H4 pencil Linotype is 22, a Bernal of 22. So your H4 is at least a Bernal hardness of 22. So that's kind of how you can gauge how hard your lead or your alloy is. And there's a cheap way. I was looking at the Lee lead harness tester on Amazon. I believe it was like 70 bucks. I'm sure you can find it cheaper, and I was just like, man, that's expensive for that. And I haven't used it, but you got to foul the bullet down, and I mean, it may be good. I haven't tried it, but this is just a cheaper alternative way to do it, guys. Just thought I'd let y'all in on that. So get your set of pencils. It will gauge how hard your alloy is, and you'll have a good one, and Widow will catch you on the flip side. Widow out.